Hello, everyone. I'm Shinji from Chiang Mai Longstay. Today, I want to share something I personally experienced, just how amazing AI can be. If you're studying Thai or thinking about starting, this is something I really want you to know about. I'm currently studying Thai at the language school at Chiang Mai University. The textbooks we use are packed with Thai script vocabulary and conversation texts. In the past, I used to look at those textbooks and type every single word into Excel by hand. The Thai script, the pronunciation, the meaning, one by one. It was exhausting. It took me nearly a week just to finish one vocabulary book. And on top of that, Excel itself took time too. Adjusting column widths, adding colors, drawing borders, all of that ate up even more time. I thought that was just how it had to be. But then I discovered AI, and everything changed. Before I get into the how, let me explain why I bother making vocabulary books in Excel in the first place. Textbooks are thick, right? You find yourself flipping through pages thinking, where was that word again? And before you know it, the time is gone. But with Excel, everything is laid out in one place. You can see it all at a glance. And what I love most is the learned, not yet learned checkbox column. Once you check off the words you've learned, you can instantly filter to show only the ones you haven't mastered yet. Even if you only have 5 or 10 minutes to spare, you can use that time to focus specifically on what you don't know yet. The efficiency is completely different from studying with a textbook. That's exactly why it's worth making an Excel vocabulary book. So how does it actually work? It's just 4 steps. First, take a photo of the textbook with your smartphone. Next, create a few rows of a template, just a rough draft by hand. And here's the key point. Put both the template and the photo into Claude's prompt together and give the instruction, please create a vocabulary book in this format. That's all it takes. The vocabulary book is complete. For vocabulary lists, it's incredibly simple. The structure is just Thai script, pronunciation, and meaning lined up in columns. So you just take a photo of the textbook and hand it to Claude, and it converts it straight into Excel. Just say, please take the words in this photo and output them in Excel format with Thai script, pronunciation, and meaning in that order. That one instruction is all it takes. Conversation texts, on the other hand, require a little more thought. Here's how the Chiang Mai University textbook is structured. The upper block contains the speaker names, Thai script conversation lines, and pronunciation, running through the entire conversation. Then, below that, the English translations for the whole conversation are lifted together as a separate block. In other words, the Thai script and the English translations are in completely separate sections. If you just ask Claude to put this in Excel, it has no way of knowing which Thai line matches which English translation. So what I did was create a template. I manually typed in just the first 2 or 3 rows with columns in this order: number, speaker, Thai script, pronunciation, English translation, matching each Thai line to the correct English translation. Then I put that template into Claude's prompt along with the photo and said, please create the rest in this same format. Once Claude understands the pattern, it repeats the same process mechanically and incredibly fast. But how do I even write a prompt, if that's what you're thinking? Don't worry, you can just ask Claude how to write the prompt. I want to create a Thai vocabulary book in Excel. What kind of prompt should I use? Ask that and Claude will tell you. No programming knowledge required. Just talk to it in plain English. The bar really isn't that high. Unlike humans, AI never gets tired. It works at the same quality 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. As a result, a task that used to take me a week was finished in just 30 minutes. On top of that, Claude has an Excel extension. Just tell it, make the table easier to read, or add color to the headers, and the beautifully formatted, professional-looking spreadsheet is created automatically. And there's one more thing that surprised me. A classmate asked if I could make an English version too, so I told Claude, rewrite this vocabulary book in English. And it was done instantly. Something I made in Japanese turned into an English version with a single instruction. It felt like magic. In the past, making vocabulary books felt like such a hassle that I kept putting it off. But not anymore. Now I can make one the same day I think of it. If I decide to do it today, I can have it done today. We're living in that kind of age now. You don't need any special skills to use AI. You just need to think a little about how to give instructions. That's all it takes for work that used to take hours to be done in a fraction of the time, like magic. If you want to study Thai more efficiently, please give Claude a try. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and give it a like. See you next time.